Hey there, Jamie. This is Alex with Advanced Digital Marketing. We spoke yesterday. Getting this video out to you. I'm going to talk to you about 3 different things that you can use to actually boost your traffic to your website, ultimately rank your website at the top of Google. You might be wondering why I'm doing this, what's in it for me kind of thing. I've found that by providing value straight out the gate, and creating this marketing video to show you a few things that you can actually do yourself, usually ends up, or at least gives me a chance. Business owners may be like, they may hesitate at times for hiring someone like this, like me, to help out with your marketing, because you don't always know who's an expert, and you don't know if someone knows exactly what they're doing or if they're a phony, right? So I've found that by giving you this free attack plan of actual things you can do to impact your business right away, it's resulted in some business owners still raising their hands, kind of saying like, Alex, it seems like you got some tricks up your sleeve, you know what you're doing, I'll go ahead and give you a shot. Okay, so this is a video that's going to show you 3 different things that's going to set your company above your competition. Don't want to waste any more time. First thing that I would focus on would be the content on your website. So we're going to need a little bit more content. I like the way your website's laid out. You got your services here. You got your right here contact form. I like to have a contact form at the very top, and then you got your reviews. Cool. So we just need to improve more content. We need about, at least based on the amount of services you have, I'd say like 1,500 words of content on your home page, and then about 500 words on each service page for carpet cleaning, upholstery, and tile and grout. So we also have to use the correct keywords on your website, and this is a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. So your top competitor, I'm going to show you. So the most volume you would get would come from carpet cleaning Riverside. Okay, so that's 450 searches right here. Okay, and then carpet cleaning Corona. You do business in Corona as well. Look at that, 400 more. We got air conditioning repair. Wanted to show you that. So here's one thing. So they get 200 searches, right? $105 a click for Google Ads. I know air conditioning repair is very, you charge a lot. It's probably pretty good margins and stuff. I noticed you put that on there that it's coming soon, so I could help you rank for that as well. So I don't know how quickly you plan on. I don't know if you're getting a new team or whatever, but based on this statistic here, this is ranking a 1 out of 100. It shows me the difficulty, 1 being easier, 100 being harder. Doesn't mean it's easy, but it shows me there's I could provide results fairly quickly and get you ranking for that. So for Google Ads, it's very expensive. Okay. However, I want to show you a little something I found that was right here for one of these AC ones is fairly cheap. Sorry, I don't know why this unclicked everything, but there is one that looks very good. Okay, and I might have to, I don't want to make this too long. So I'm going to show you your top competitor for carpet cleaning Riverside. But don't forget, there is an HVAC opportunity that is very cheap on the Google Ads. So Dave the Carpenter right here is your top organic competitor for carpet cleaning Riverside that once again gets 450 searches a month. So I threw Dave the Carpet Cleaner Riverside in this tool that I use called Ahrefs. Again, it's about $100 to $150 a month if you want to use it. It gives you access to the trust flow of their website, the power. This is like a ratio that shows, and these are backlinks here. I'll talk about that in a moment. And then you can see the keywords that they're ranking for. So you can copy. Here, one sec. I want to show you. Look, so as a top competitor in Riverside, they get 168 traffic on their website on a monthly basis. Okay, so let's go ahead and here look at their organic search. You can see carpet cleaning Riverside again, 450 searches, 200, another 200. Okay, that's a lot we're missing out on. A lot of traffic we could take for ourselves. And you could go here, click on the keywords, and then target those keywords and know exactly how they're getting that traffic. And they're probably missing some that you could receive, okay? Based on your service areas. So that's that. I'm going to move on to citations. So citations, what those are, those help you in the Google Map Pack right here. This is the top 3. In order to get in that, you want to have more citations, which are the business name. You have name, address, and phone number. Okay? And so I call it the NAPs. It's an easy way of remembering it. You're probably familiar with Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, that goes on and on and on. There's a bunch of different citations you can get. This is a tool I use called WhiteSpark. I threw you in there based on your location and keywords that we want to rank for. I know you have more than one location, but I focused on Riverside, okay? And needs to load up. So this is going to show you basically how many citations you have and how many your competitors have, and you could basically copy what they have and you don't, and then see what you have and they don't, okay? And you go in there, type up your info. It's going to ask for, okay, here, that should work. So look, we got 17 citations. Your top competitor is 26. So let's not just get 10 more and beat them by 1. Double what they have. Let's get 52 total. So we're that far ahead, beat them by a landslide, and it makes it much easier on my end to know what needs to be done if, say, we're stuck on the 4th spot and we want to be number 1. I know the citations are done, right? So that's that. Those are citations. So moving on, I'm going to go on to backlinks. So backlinks, how these work, I like to call them link juice. And obviously we're not at the top here, looking up. So what we need to do is point relevant websites to your website. So websites that are relevant to carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, tile and floor care, right? HVAC. So one way we could do this is so you have Dave the Carpenter. This is your top competitor for Riverside Carpet Clean, and you go here to backlinks or referring domains. Either one does it. Referring domains is easier, it's more organized, and you could copy all of these links they have pointing to their website and point it towards yours, okay? Some of them you won't be able to because they might be paid for article guest posts, but that's why I want to help you out, because I have access to large guest posting, blog posting networks, powerful link juice that we could point towards your website. These are, very authoritative and relevant websites in Google's eyes. You can almost look at it as a popularity contest, okay? So I want to show you. So this is their trust and this is the power they have. So Google trusts them, however, they don't have much power pointed to their website. Okay, we need to point, sorry, it's backwards. This is power, and this is trust. So they need more trusted websites pointing to their website. Websites that Google is very, it's known for a long time. Anything like, watch, I'll give you an example. You'll probably recognize one of these websites, web app. And if you don't, then, so MapQuest, okay? Obviously, Google knows MapQuest. So it therefore has a high trust flow. That's why it's a 91 out of 100, okay? And you got to have a good balance, okay? And yeah, I could help you out with pointing relevant websites to your site. And you rent these out on a monthly basis, but we'll talk more about that. So how it works, think of even maybe, when you're jump starting a car that doesn't work and a car that does, right? So here's how many backlinks you have. You have 65, okay? And your top competitor for carpet cleaning has 156, okay? 18 referring domains versus 56. Okay, so we could definitely catch up. And you can see this ratio here, 18:2.3. You actually probably have a better ratio. You just need more referring domains, and you'll get going. Okay, you're probably pretty close, maybe page 3 or so, something like that, for these keywords that you are ranking for. But we need more keywords because you get hitting a lot of service areas, and you have a lot of services that you do. So yeah, again, back to the jump starting car. You have a battery that doesn't work, car battery, or car that isn't working, and you got a car that works. You link the jumper cables, you jump start it. So the car that works is the backlink that we're going to have pointing to your website, which for now is the car that's not working. Okay, it's got to power it up. Okay, and we know this one works. That's why we're attaching the jumper cable. Google knows this website works. It trusts it, and if this website is going to send its power to yours, it's going to help you. Okay, so one way I say how we measure relevant backlinks, we're not going to put your website teamecofriendly.com on Pizza Hut or cars.com because you're not selling pizzas or cars. Okay, we're not in that business. We're in the carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, and on and on. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to talk about. Don't want to make this video too long. So we went over content. We want about 1,500 words of content with the right keywords on your home page. We're going to need some services. Your service pages, we want to put about 500 words at least on each page, depending on how many keywords we want to hit. I know you have different locations. I'll lay it out to you. There's 5 different solid keywords we can hit for different locations. 5 different same keywords but different locations. I'll talk more about that. Okay, more content. We're gonna need, let's get 52 citations total, and then let's point some more relevant websites to your site. Okay, we're not too far away, and we could definitely do that. So I provided you, this information, and if you want to go ahead and work on it yourself, again, I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want a more effective route, save yourself some time. Obviously, you're focused on working on your business. Got probably a lot of things going on. I'd love to help you out. So yeah, go ahead and reach me at 949-354-7391. That's 949-354-7391. Again, I'm Alex. I'm with Advanced Digital Marketing. Hope you found this information pretty useful. Yeah, I'll go ahead and talk to you guys next week. Thank you.